going on, guys, and welcome back to Terry's Theories. This is Terry. Hey, this video clip is about SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket. Now, it launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida, carrying 24 satellites to space for the Department of Defense space program. Wonder what they're going to do with those. Hopefully something cool, but I don't know. But what I want to talk about is in this video clip, you see something traveling down the end of the exhaust nozzle as the rocket is in outer space. What do you guys think that could be? I'm thinking some kind of insulation. I've heard some wild theories out there. Maybe you guys have, or maybe you haven't seen this video clip. So check out the video clip and tell me what you think this may be. And also I noticed just before the debris, the insulation, or whatever this thing may be, falls off the end of the rocket, there are two white Tic Tacs, space junk, whatever it may be, that flies by really quick. So I want you to notice those as well and tell me what you think those could be. I'm thinking space junk, but I don't know. You decide. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. Alright guys, without further ado, here's the first clip. I've got two more after this. Let's check it out. Alright, here we go.
This is our secondary mission, so our primary mission, we just heard the call out for a good orbit of our second stage. So we are actually just moments away from our first deployment of the evening for Oculus ASR, which was developed by students at Michigan Technological University. We will be passing...
Okay guys, this next clip is the landing of the first stage Falcon 9 rocket. And what I saw on this was, it looks like some kind of cap that has fallen off the rocket. Maybe it's supposed to, maybe it's part of it, maybe it's not, I don't know. But this white cap, you can see it tumbling off as it passed the end of the rocket. Check it out. Maybe nothing. I just saw it and wanted to share it. Alright guys, here we go. Alright guys, this last clip is of the Falcon 9 rocket coming back into re-entry and actually landing, which is an amazing feat. Of course, they've done it several times, but still, every time I see it, it's just really cool. And I wanted to share that with you. So you guys check it out, and thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. And to my subscribers, hey guys, I really appreciate you subscribing. I hope you're enjoying the channel. I'm enjoying our conversations and whatnot from your messages. And this is Terry with Terry's Theories. Terry out.
Landing burn has started. Landing legs have deployed. Stage 1 touchdown confirmed. Landing operators moving 11.100 on recovery net.